You never know. So, and these are outstanding actions of public servants who are contributing towards what our citizens are expecting. Let me also, commend one lady. I don't know whether Pamela Mutua is here, of KNTC. I don't know whether she's here. That lady, we must clap for her in absence. Because we are managing a situation in the country where we have to supply food relief to citizens across the country. And we have to buy these items from or the private sector and other players. As I was, working with this lady on fertilizer and telling her we must bring down the prices, I was telling her we must bring down the prices of how much we are buying the food items. In the course of doing all that, we have some not very good people, I must say this. We have some not very good people sitting somewhere in another ministry, a department called Public Works. And those people in a department, I don't know, called Materials Department or something, Supplies Department, the people in that supplies place, they were busy increasing the price of commodities. Imagine, in the middle of a food crisis, somebody is sitting in a public office and, negotiating himself and, trying to take advantage of a problem. And they were increasing the prices, imagine, of supply of some of these items. I don't know, rice was going up from 5,000 to 7,200. So this lady tells me, but Mr. President, why is the government telling us to increase the price at which we buy rice from 5,000 to 7,000? This is not the private sector telling us. It is people sitting in government. Those people in that department supplies. Tutawashtaki kwa Mungu. Surely, that is how, and that is why I say, the people who do well, the people who serve with dignity and sincerity, like Pamela, who told me, Mr. President, we are being told this, please stop these people. And I had to stop them. Today, and I want to thank the office of the Deputy President, today we are buying those food items at between 4,500 and 5,000. Not the 7,000 those supply people were telling us. So, we must evaluate everybody. The bad guys in supplies department, we must deal with them. And the good people like Pamela, we must reward them. Because that's how this is going to work. Let me also say one more thing about my good deputy here. We had a program, we were registering farmers. For 5 years, we managed to register only 1 million farmers. But just in 2 weeks, this deputy of mine mobilized the whole public service because he was a former public servant. And they registered 5 million farmers in 2 weeks. Today, we are giving fertilizer to farmers using a digital platform. Everybody gets an SMS, your fertilizer is ready, come for it. You don't have to queue. The cartels have disappeared. The conmen could have no place to steal our fertilizer. For the first time, every farmer who needed fertilizer got fertilizer, and that program is moving very well. In other words, I am saying it is possible for us to do the right thing and take the country forward.